For homeowners in Smithtown, New York, keeping energy costs under control while staying comfortable year-round can be a challenge. From hot summers requiring air conditioning to chilly winters demanding reliable heating, your home's windows play a crucial role in maintaining efficiency. While many people focus on the type of window they choose, whether double pane, low E glass, or energy-efficient frames, proper installation is equally important. Without it, even the best windows won't deliver the energy savings you're expecting. Why window installation matters. Windows are more than just glass panes. They're complex systems that need to be fitted perfectly into your home's structure. Even a small gap or poorly sealed edge can allow air leaks that compromise insulation. In Smithtown residences, where seasonal temperature changes are significant, poorly installed windows lead to drafts and uncomfortable cold spots, higher heating and cooling bills, moisture infiltration that damages walls and frames, reduced lifespan of the window itself. Simply put, professional installation ensures your investment in energy-efficient windows pays off. Key ways proper installation improves energy efficiency. Airtight seals. One of the biggest sources of energy loss in homes is air leakage. Properly installed windows use precision sealing and high-quality weather stripping to close off gaps. This helps keep cool air inside during summer and warm air in during winter. Correct insulation around frames. It's not just the glass that matters. Insulation around the window frame is equally critical. Professional installers add insulation around the opening to ensure no hidden spaces allow energy to escape. Proper alignment and fit. If a window isn't level or square, it won't close tightly. This small misalignment can lead to drafts and inefficient performance. A trained installer makes sure your windows fit seamlessly into place. Moisture control. Improper installation can let humid air seep in, leading to condensation and mold. By sealing the window properly, installers prevent moisture intrusion, helping your home stay healthier and more efficient. Everyday benefits for Smithtown homeowners. When windows are installed correctly, Smithtown families notice immediate improvements. Lower energy bills. Reduced energy loss means your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard. Consistent comfort. No more cold drafts in winter or hot spots near windows in summer. Better indoor air quality. Tight seals prevent pollutants, pollen, and dust from sneaking inside. Peace and quiet. Professional installation also helps block outside noise for a calmer home. These benefits aren't just about savings, they improve your overall quality of life. The role of energy-efficient windows while installation is key. Pairing it with the right windows multiplies the results. For Smithtown's climate, homeowners should consider double or triple pane glass for insulation, low E coatings to block UV rays and reduce heat transfer, argon or krypton gas fills between panes for added efficiency, durable frames like vinyl or fiberglass that resist warping in changing temperatures. Combined with proper installation, these features can cut energy use significantly. Why professional installation is essential. It may be tempting to save money with DIY or low-cost installers, but professional installation ensures long-term efficiency and performance. Certified local professionals in Smithtown understand local building codes and climate demands. Use specialized tools and techniques for airtight results. Provide warranties that protect your investment. Think of it this way: your windows are only as good as their installation. Without the right fit, even the highest-rated energy-efficient models won't perform as advertised. Final thoughts for homeowners in Smithtown. Replacing windows is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment in comfort, savings, and long-term home value. Proper installation is the key to unlocking the full potential of your energy-efficient windows. By working with trusted professionals who understand the unique climate and housing styles in the area, you'll enjoy a home that's not only beautiful but also performs at its best. With expertly installed windows, you can look forward to lower energy bills, consistent indoor comfort, and peace of mind for years to come.